So I'm Kate. I have started to run my business Cegin Kate from my kitchen at home. Reason being, we've had a very premature little girl. She was 14 weeks early. I don't want to go back to working in an office. So here I am, making my cakes, my birthday cakes, wedding cakes, Christmas cakes, and yeah, getting all ready and prepared for the winter fair next week. Aeaf have been really helpful. Gwenann has been in touch with me. She has pointed me in the right direction for trading standards, getting labels correct, making sure I've got everything listed on there that needs to be, designing how my stand's going to look at the show next week. It's quite a daunting thing to think that I'm going to be doing it. It's a big fair as my first one to be going to, but it's exciting as well. So after attending the winter fair, I think I'd like to, to aim really to get into shops maybe next year. Perhaps asking Aeaf to point me in the right direction, how I go about it, who I need to speak to. And I'm sure that from the help I've had so far, I'm sure I'll get some more then.